Looking for a personal blender that fits your everyday routine? We've picked 5 great options worth checking out, from compact smoothie makers to powerful models for thicker blends. Check the product links in the description to learn more. And let's get started with number 1. Number 1 is the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender, a compact blender designed specifically for individual drinks and smaller portions. With a 700-watt motor, it can handle ingredients for smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks. What makes it convenient is the 16-ounce cups. You can blend your drink and then take the cup with you, making it useful for busy mornings, workouts, or quick snacks. Its compact size also means it doesn't take up much counter space, which is great for smaller kitchens, apartments, or anyone who doesn't need a large blender. The simple design makes it easy to use. Add your ingredients, blend, and enjoy. If you're looking for a small personal blender for everyday smoothies and shakes, this Ninja Fit is a strong option to start our list. Number 2 is the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender, a compact option designed for making smoothies and drinks on the go. It comes with a 14-ounce travel jar, giving you a convenient size for individual smoothies, shakes, and other small drinks. The jar is BPA-free, and the durable stainless steel blades are designed to blend everyday ingredients. With up to 300 watts of peak power, this blender is made for simple, personal blending without taking up much space on your kitchen counter. One of the best things about this design is the travel jar. You can blend your drink and take it with you, making it useful for busy mornings, work, school, or after a workout. Its compact size also makes it easy to store in smaller kitchens. If you want a simple, personal blender that focuses on convenience and portability, this Hamilton Beach model is a practical choice. Number 3 is the NutriBullet Personal Blender, a compact option designed for everyday smoothies, shakes, food prep, and frozen blending. This model comes with a 250-watt motor and a 22-ounce cup, giving you a convenient size for personal drinks and smaller portions. The compact design is great if you don't have much counter space, and the included cups make it easy to prepare your drink and take it with you. It's also useful beyond smoothies. You can use it for shakes, sauces, small food prep tasks, and frozen drinks. The simple personal blender design makes it quick and convenient for everyday use without needing a large countertop blender. If you want a compact blender that can handle more than just smoothies, the NutriBullet is a versatile choice for a small kitchen. Number 4 is the NutriBullet Ultra Personal Blender, a powerful single-serve blender designed for smoothies, shakes, and protein drinks. With a 1,200-watt motor, this blender offers significantly more power than many compact personal blenders, making it a strong option for everyday blending. It comes with a 32-ounce blending cup, giving you more room for larger personal smoothies and shakes. The blender also includes 3 BPA-free cups, which is convenient if you like to prepare different drinks or keep an extra cup ready for later. Another highlight is the titanium-coated blades, designed for powerful blending performance and durability. You can use it for fruit smoothies, protein shakes, frozen ingredients, and other everyday drinks. Despite its powerful motor, the design is still made for personal, single-serve blending, rather than a large family-size blender. So if you want a personal blender with more power, a larger cup, and multiple BPA-free cups, the NutriBullet Ultra is a strong choice for our list. Number 5 is the Ninja Blast Max Portable Blender, a compact personal blender designed for smoothies and drinks on the go. It comes with a 22-ounce removable vessel, giving you a convenient size for individual smoothies, shakes, and other drinks. One of its standout features is the Auto IQ Crush and Smoothie programs, which help make blending simple with dedicated settings. The Twist and Go removable vessel also makes it convenient to blend and then take your drink with you. Its portable design is useful for busy mornings, work, travel, or after a workout, especially if you don't want to use a large countertop blender. The compact size also makes storage easier when you have limited kitchen space. So if you want a personal blender that combines portability, convenient programs, and a 22-ounce vessel, the Ninja Blast Max is a strong final choice for our top 5 personal blenders. Number 6 is the Ninja Foodi Personal Blender and Smoothie Bowl Maker, a more versatile option for smoothies and personal food preparation. It features a powerful 1,200-watt motor with Ninja's Smart Torque technology, designed to maintain power when blending thicker ingredients. What makes this model different is its hybrid edge blades, which are designed for both blending drinks and handling thicker mixtures. You can use it for smoothies, frozen drinks, nutrient extraction, and smoothie bowls. So instead of being limited to drinks, it gives you more ways to prepare different foods. The included personal cups make it convenient for individual portions, while the smoothie bowl capability is especially useful if you like thick, spoonable blends. If you want a personal blender with extra versatility and enough power for thicker recipes, this Ninja Foodi model is an interesting addition to our list. And that wraps up our top 5 personal blenders. Each one offers something different, from compact everyday blending to powerful options for smoothies and thicker recipes. Check all the product links in the description, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Amazon kitchen finds.